Hello dear student, welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. This is your teacher Manish Sabri teaching you social science. Today's topic name is Making of the Indian Constitution. Here dear student, making of the Indian Constitution. The India's Constitution was also drawn up under a very difficult circumstances. The making of the constitution for a huge and diverse country like India was not easy affair. At that time, the people of India were emerging from the status of subject to that of citizens. The country was born through a partition on the basis of religious differences. So, dear student, this was a traumatic experience for the people of India and Pakistan. At least the 10 lakh people were killed on both sides of the border in partition related violence. There was another problem. The British had left it to the rulers of the princely state to decide whether they wanted to merge with India or with Pakistan or remain independent. The merger of these princely states was a difficult and uncertain task. When the constitution was being written, the future of the country did not look as secure as it does today. The makers of the constitution had anxieties about the present and the future of the country. So, dear student, it was the history of before making of the Indian Constitution. I hope you understand. Next is the two part is very important in making of the Indian Constitution. First is the path of the Constitution, and second is the Constituent Assembly. So, dear student, first part to the Indian Constitution. Despite of all difficulties, there was one big advantage for the makers of the Indian Constitution. They did not have to create a consensus about what a democratic India should look like. Much of these consensus had involved during the freedom struggle. Our national movement was not merely struggle against a foreign rule. It was also a struggle to rejuvenate our country and to transform our society and politics. Dear student, there were the sharp differences of opinion within the freedom struggle about the path India should take after independence. Such a differences exist even today, yet some basic ideas had come to be accepted by almost everyone. If we are going to think about the making of the constitution, in 1928, Motilal Nehru and 8 other Congress leaders drafted a constitution for India. In 1931, the resolution at the Karachi sessions of the Indian National Congress dwelt on how independent India's constitution should look like. Both these documents were committed to the inclusion of universal adult franchise, right to freedom and equality, and to protecting the rights of minorities in the constitutions of independent India. Thus, some basic values were accepted by all leaders much before the Constituent Assembly met to deliberate on the constitution. So, it was the part 2 constitution. So, dear student, years of thinking and deliberations. If we are going to think about the Indian Constitution, the most of the part in Indian Constitution that taken from the Government of India Act 1935. Years of thinking and deliberations on the framework of the Constitution had another benefit. Our leaders gained confidence to learn from other countries, but on our own terms. Many of our leaders were inspired by the ideals of French Revolution the practice of the parliamentary democracy in Britain, and the Bill of Rights in USA. The socialist revolutions in Russia had inspired many Indians to think of the shaping a system based on social and economic equality. Yet they were not simply imitating what others had done. Each step they were questioning whether this thing suited our country. All these factors contributed to the making of the constitution. So dear students, that was the path of the Indian constitution. You remember that the most of the part in the constitution that taken from the Government of India Act 1935. And we also have learned the history before the making of the constitution. Now next part of the making constitution is the Constituent Assembly. Here the picture of Constituent Assembly. Dear student, what is the meaning of the Constituent Assembly? Sir, so that the drafting of the document called the Constitution, the Constitution was done by an assembly of elected representatives called the Constituent Assembly. Election to the Constituent Assembly were held in July 1946. Its first meeting was held in December 1946. Soon after, the country was divided into two parts, we know, after the partition. One is India and another is Pakistan. The Constituent Assembly that wrote the Indian Constitution had 299 members, means 299 members. The Assembly adopted the Constitution on 26th of November 1949 and it came into effect on 26th of January 1950. So dear student, we accepted our Constitution in 26th of November 1949 and it came into effect on 26th of January 1950. To mark this day, we celebrate January 26 as our Republic Day. We celebrate it as our Republic Day. So dear student, it is all about the Constituent Assembly. Now, one another thing is that, important thing is that, here is the makers of the Constitution. T.T. Krishnamachari, Durgatai Deshmukh, T.T. Krishnamachari, Durgatai Deshmukh, Somnath Lahiri, Sarojini Naidu, H.C. Mukherjee, Jaipal Singh, Abul Kalam Azad, and Vallabhbhai Patel, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. These were the makers of the Indian Constitution. And also Baldev Singh, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar and Rajendra Prasad also were there in the makers of the Constitution. Here dear student, drafting the Constitution. Drafting committee chaired by the Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar prepared a draft of Constitution for discussion. Several rounds through the discussion were placed on the draft Constitution, clause by clause. More than 2,000 amendments were considered. The members deliberated for 140 days spread over 3 years. Every document presented and every word spoken in the Constituent Assembly has been recorded and preserved. These are called Constituent Assembly debates. When printed, these debates are 12 bulky volumes. These debates provide the rationale behind every provision of the Constitution. These are used to interpret the meaning of the Constitution. So dear student, it is all about the drafting the Constitution. The draft was prepared by February 1948 by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. So dear student, here the picture of the members of the drafting committee with the chairman of drafting committee, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar and other 7 persons. I hope you understand this topic well. So dear student, there are some assignment question for you on this topic. First question is, which were the challenges for making Indian Constitution? First question, which were the challenges for making Indian Constitution? Second one is, what are the advantage of making Constitution? And last is, write 5 members of Constituent Assembly. Means write 5 members name of Constituent Assembly. So dear student, this is the assignment question for you. These are the assignment question for you. Dear student, I hope you understand today's topic well. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next period with new topic. Thank you.